What's up, guys? Hope you're doing well. Carlos here. Today is day number 7 doing trading in a real account, real market. Well, as I told you from the beginning, I'm starting with a gift from the broker, $30 of capital, starting from there, basically from scratch. I didn't put my own money yet, so I'm practicing, just doing this thing, documenting, this journey and showing what's happening, what's the real side, what's all the things that could happen, during the road, what you can feel, what are the thoughts that can come to your mind and probably, try to sabotage your road or your operations, or maybe some limiting beliefs that are stopping you from changing the way, changing the game. That's super important, and you are going to see that in those videos, because that's the purpose of doing this documentation, showing my journey, so people can identify themselves and say, oh, you know what, I just feel that. I was in that moment. I just was in that place. So now, if they watch my videos, they are complete, real, raw, to the point. Maybe, English is not my mother tongue. So probably sometimes I could speak something wrong or have a wrong pronunciation or something like that. I don't know, everything, that something that is new, we need to practice. So if I say something wrong, just guys, have some patience. I will get better with my English, and the quality of the videos will get better during the time. But the main point of these videos is to share the message, so the people who want to watch those videos, the real testimonial from myself, they can do it, they can get benefit from it, okay? Because if you want to watch videos about, winning $10,000 per day doing trading, or, buying the new Lamborghini because you were doing 6 months trading and you were profit the 6 months, or this kind of stuff that sometimes is unbelievable, for real, it's unbelievable. Because you need different factors, but it could be real, but you need to have different factors in game. So those kind of videos, you have a lot of those videos in YouTube, and you can go watch those videos. But if you want to see some real thing, come here and you will do it. Okay, so today I only made one operation in my real account and one operation in my demo account. As you know, I operate in both accounts because, as I told you from the beginning, I'm only 4 months in trading, studying, let's say 1 month on demo, but let's say that it's probably 7 days too that I'm taking seriously my demo account, because previous that I was making good operations, sometimes winning good, sometimes losing too, because when we lose we learn a lot. It's not only winning that we learn. So basically what I do is I operate in both accounts, and I take the same serious attitude for both accounts, alright? It's like I'm saying to myself, it's like my own money in demo, it's like my own money in both, alright? So I take the same attitude for both accounts. So if you can watch the last video from day number 6, I made 2 operations in demo, and one got profit, and one operation in real account, it was profit too. And the second operation that I made day number 6, I let the operation open from Friday until today. And as you know, today is January 20, and today is a very important date for the US, because President Trump is taking the position of official president of the United States this new season. So Basically today, it's obviously we are going to have different kind of movements and different kind of directions in the market, probably in different kinds, right? Crypto, anything. It's going to be good changes today because it's a very important day for the market, for the US, for the world, and for the people who trade all around the world. So I let open the operation from Friday, and today I thought that would be a bearish movement, but in fact I was looking for signals in the graphic, and when just a moment happened, 8:30 a.m., just the graphic just take a change, bullish movement, very aggressive, and then I got I moved quickly to my demo account, and I closed the operation, because if I didn't close the operation, I would have lost I don't know, maybe $30 or $50 because my stop loss was there. I'm not pretty sure what amount I was losing because the number I don't remember exactly. But the thing is that I took action in the right moment, and I closed operation. So I finished profit. It was $1.55. So I knew that moment that the graphic is going to be bullish. So I took an operation in long. So I took a long. I put my take profit, and I made $5 something. So I basically won the operation from Friday, and I won the operation from today. But the thing comes here. As I knew it that basically all the morning is going to will be bullish, I took the same operation in my real account. The difference was that, in demo account I took the operation in the second candle, and in the real account I took the operation in the third candle. And the lesson that I learned today is that you need to watch very well the candles that you have in the graphic, because there are some candles that the wick is very long, and those candles are very dangerous because they are moved. When a candle is taking form, it's building it. You don't know the color. For example, it could be green or red from 1 second to another second. And when you put an operation or something like that, especially manually, you don't know where you are going to get the operation because the price is moving. So you can only put an operation like a limit order. For example, like you say, I want to buy in this price. That thing, yes, you can do. But if you make just like buy or for example sell, you take the operation where you take the place of the candle. What I mean with this is, if the candle has big wicks, that's something a little bit dangerous, because you can get nervous or something, and if you are putting a lot of money, you can lose a lot of money too, because you can think that the graphic will change to the other way, and you can lose if you don't close that operation, or if you have a stop loss very next to that. So you can lose very quickly, just in seconds you can lose money, right? And if you have a few capital, like myself, I am starting with $30. If you do that and you don't take a serious risk, you can burn all the money, right? Burn the account. So the point here is that those candles, we need to avoid those candles, all right? And we need to look for the next candle that the best case scenario is that it has a little wick, right? So if the next candle has a little wick and then has a long body, that's great, because that's a candle less volatile, we can say that like that. It's less dangerous. And the thing is that in the demo account, I took first operation there, and I took in the second candle. It was a great move. But in the real account, it just changing the thing, just changing my eyes, my moving my hands and doing and all of that. It transcurred 40 seconds, let's say, and I took the operation in the third candle. And the third candle has the same style from the first candle with big wicks. So I got nervous that moment, and it was so quickly, and I learned that we need to take decisions very quick in trading, very quick, because all these things happen in less than a minute. And I got nervous and I closed myself the operation, and I lost $1.63. So yeah, I did the same mistake that the other day, that didn't put my stop loss in the amount that I'm sure is the amount that I'm comfortable losing. And well, it was a mistake. We learned like that. I'm learning today. But if we can see this, it was a great operation, because if I didn't have that problem, I would be profit today. All right, but as you know, we need to learn. You can see, from day one I won. The day that I won the most was the first day, 50% of my account. But then day number 2, 3, I lost money. I was like changing, like watching the graphic, learning new things, right? Because it was my second, third day. Then, last Friday, that was the day number 6, I won again, was profit again. And now, like, learning new things, and at the same time, repeating some mistakes. So I need to correct these mistakes, and at the same time, putting in the game the new things that I learned. So basically that's it. You can watch the video at the final where I show you the graphics and where was everything that I told you. So I hope guys this video will help you, especially if you are a beginner like myself, and if you are starting out from scratch, or you want to start like a demo account, but with the right mindset. Okay, so if you need that, I'm pretty sure those videos are going to help you. And basically take everything seriously. Don't take just like that. Don't think it's a game. Don't think it's a casino. No, avoid those beliefs, right? You need to have the right mindset. The most important thing you need to do before doing training is your psychology, and then your emotions, and basically taking decisions fast. Those are the 3 things you need to build to move quick, right? And to start seeing results in your trading journey. And one thing that is very important too is your level of resilience. Because when I lost the operation in real account and I won the operation in demo account, one moment I thought to myself and I said, what happened if I enter again? And I say to myself, no, wait. Because one thing is to enter again when you are like 100% sure about the operation, but a different thing is to lose one operation and then going like a revenge trading, like saying, oh yeah, I lost, yeah, I want to win again, I want to kill the market. No, you can't go just like revenge mindset, right? You need to change that. You need to very quick have the resilience and concentrate again, forget about the loss, learn about that, and just go again. Just put the eyes in the graphic, in the price, in the movement, and be like cold. You need to be cold. You can't be, anxious, become desperate. No. You need to control everything, because even if you win, you need to control everything, because even if you win, you can believe that you will win again, and you enter again, and you probably lose the money, and it becomes a circle, right? So you need to control very well that, and you only need to do the operations that you are 100% sure that is going to be according to your analysis, right? Because if you do that, and even if you lose that money, you were doing some work, right? But if you take just emotional operations, you will take any operations, and sometimes you will win, sometimes you will lose, and you will, spoil your attitude, your self-esteem, and your mindset. So you need to be very careful and put control in your life, and put seriously and put all the effort you can do in this game. Alright? Hope this video helped you guys. See you tomorrow, day number 8 of doing trading, and you can watch the video and find out what happened today in the graphics. See you guys.
What's up, guys? How you doing? Today is day number 7 doing trading in real market. January 20. Today, President Trump is going to become the president of the United States officially. We can see in the graphic a bullish movement or most of the morning. And then, well, we can see that it's going bearish, but I don't know yet if it will continue this movement or it will change. Well, the best moment for today to make the operation was here. Well, you know, you could have all this winning from your side if you put it here, the buy operation, okay, the long operation. So basically that's it. If you remember the last video from day 6, I had an operation here that it was bearish, you know, so here I was making like $6, something like that. It was in a demo account. So when all this happened about the I was watching the graphic to put my signals, and then suddenly this movement happened. So I decided to close the operation so I didn't lose the money, and I closed the demo operation at 155, and immediately I put a long operation and I won $5.10 in demo account. You can see here I made the operation just here. I enter here, and then my take profit was there. I could go longer, right? But at that moment I just decided to do this movement because it was just the decision of the moment. All right, so you can see it was take profit $5. We are recovering, so now it's 33.55 less that I'm having from the 10,000 they gave me. So I have 9,964. So that's for the demo account, and then we can go to the real account. So as I told you, in the demo account I need to close the operation, and I quickly go to take the long operation. And I did pretty much the same in the real account. I tried to take the same long operation. What happened was the first candle, if you can see, the wick is very long, very strange. It's the first time I see a candle like that. So this kind of candle is very dangerous because I will explain to you with my example. The candle I enter is just here. This is candle number 1, number 2, number 3. I enter the operation here, and I close the operation here. And just this tiny movement made I lost $1.63. So that means that when it was the right moment, when the graphic was creating the candle, I enter here. So the candle was not finished, so I enter in this point. When I closed, because I got nervous because the price was changing so fast, I decided to close here. So just imagine I took almost at the finish of the week, here in the middle. But imagine if it happened the same to other people. Here, you take here, the enter, but then you get nervous and you close here. Could you imagine this size of movement? You can lose probably $7 or even more. So that's why today I learned a great lesson that you need to see what kind of candle is building. So in this case, in this operation, the best candle to enter was here. Why? Because the wick was defined and the movement wasn't so aggressive until down or up. It was only going up, going bullish, right? So here it happened, the third candle happened almost the same that the first, but it's minimum comparing to the first, right? So it was a great operation today, but as I told you, I got nervous and I commit again the problem that not putting my stop loss, let's say here. So if I would do it, I could won all of these probably just until here. And if I was more aggressive and risky, maybe here, right? So that would be the best case scenario, but you know, we need to learn. It's not winning all the time. You can learn winning, that in the case I learned in the demo account, I learned winning, but here in the real account I needed to learn losing. So now we are $8.66, we are positive, we are profit 38.66, and we continue with the gift of the broker $30. So guys, that's it for this day number 7. Super great lessons for the next days coming in. So see you tomorrow.